What's up everyone, my name is Mark Plant and this is MPV Vlogs. Hey everyone, like I said, my name is Mark Plant and this is MPV Vlogs. Thanks for coming in, I do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button down on the bottom. Helps the channel out a ton. If you're already a subscriber, please hit that bell icon right next to the subscribe button. You'll get a notification anytime I put up a new video. If you're using a mobile device, just make sure that notifications are allowed or you won't get the notification. What we're going to do in today's video is a quick unboxing. We have here the Newentor wireless weather station has three sensors, so temperatures from 3 different areas. The reason why I have this one is so hopefully it don't fall apart. We have had this Accurite weather station. I'm guessing at least 10 years I've had this, if not more. As you can see, it's been broken. We've lost the back of it, and what ended up happening was I did some cleaning, and when I moved it, it doesn't work anymore. You can tell I got batteries in it. I've tried everything. So after 10 plus years, I think it served its purpose. So I went onto Amazon and I bought the new weather station. So what we're going to do now is we are going to go and let's open this thing up. All right, so we have the Newentor wireless weather station. It's 3 outdoor sensors. It keeps the date, weekday, backlight design, daily alarm functions, radio control clock, indoor-outdoor humidity, indoor-outdoor temperature, and weather forecasts with the air pressure display. So it's nothing spectacular. It's not a full weather station, but it's very similar to what I had. So let's open this up and see what comes inside the box here. Open that up. Everything's bubble wrapped. We've got the LCD screen. Oh, okay, and then I put the stickers on. Oh, so it's actually 4 different temperatures it's going to display. I thought it was just 3, so it'd be indoor and then upstairs and downstairs. So I can do 3 different places. So this is good. All right. So, I mean, size and shape, design, it's pretty close to the other one that I had. Let's see what else we have. We've got the 3 sensors. Okay. We have the weather station instructions. Okay. And a thank you from the company. How to get technical support and so on. I just thought of something. I bet you they don't come with batteries. Guess what? They don't come with batteries. So I'm going to need some AA batteries for these. That's basically it. It's a really easy unboxing. So what I'm going to do now, let me get some batteries. See what I need for batteries for the monitor. Okay, those are AA also. So I'm going to need a total of 6 AA batteries. So I went and got the batteries. Let's pop the batteries first into the LCD screen here. You can see on the back here. AA batteries, very easy. Pop in 1. Pop in 2. Boom, it's on. Some clicks. There you go, 67 degrees with 63% humidity. What's that? It lights up. Okay, so let me put the cover on the back. Okay, I've already put the batteries in one of the boxes, which is this one here. And it's showing 70 degrees. We pop the battery in the second box here. Showing 71 degrees. Let's put the cover back on. There we go. The cover's on. I'm not sure why it's not reading it. Let's try popping those batteries out again. Oh, wait a second, because I have it on number 1. This here, I don't know what the camera picks it up. It says 1, 2, or 3. We're going to put that as number 2. Boom, there we go. Number 2 is reading, so we'll put it back on it. And we got the third one. Pop a couple of batteries in that. Well, first of all, we'll go to change it to number 3. This little switch on the side here. Let's pop some batteries in. Put the cover back on. There we go. We got temperature on that one. And number 3 is showing the temperature. Now, what I don't understand is why 3 of them have they have 3 different temperatures. So I don't know whether there's some sort of calibration that needs to be done. So let's do this. We're going to set up the else. Well, first of all, let's take off the plastic. There we go. That's all set. All right, so it's supposed to have a manual, be set by atomic clock, but we can set it ourselves. Okay, so it says to press, set, and hold for 2 seconds. All right, so we press it, the on button is flashing. Now we're supposed to press the alarm button and the radio control button. Okay, we got a 12-hour calendar. 12-hour clock. We got to change to, I live in Eastern Standard Time. It is currently 7:12. The year is, 2022. It is October 17th, 7:13 p.m. Everything else should be all set. Okay. I think what that did was took these off, so let's reset. And so I don't mix them up, we'll take it and we will put 3 on that one. Okay, number 3 will be the bedroom. Okay, alrighty. That's it. That's the setup. So it ended up fairly easy. Still don't know why, number 1, this one here is a different temperature. But we're going to go put that outside, and I'll be right back with you guys. All right, well, that's the setup. Everything seems to be working fine right now. My outdoor temperature hasn't caught up yet, and I'm a little bit further away from the receiver where I am right now. I think it's actually about 59 degrees out right now, so it's getting down there. Yeah, it was really easy setup on this. There's up to a 2-degree difference in accuracy. So, it's not the exact temperature, but for the price that I paid, this isn't a high quality, scientific weather station. It's to give us a general idea. There's also some functions on this that I'm not going to use. One of them is I can set an alarm on it. I don't need to do that. And it also, one of the features that it also has is it'll pop up when it gets between 30 and 37 degrees Fahrenheit. A little notice will come up warning us possible ice. So that's a nice feature, but if I see it in the middle to low 30s, I know to watch for ice. So yeah, it is what it is. I paid about $40 for this, and it seems like basically the same thing that I had before. So I'm going to try it for a little while. We'll see how it works, and if I have any major problems with it, I'll come back and I'll do another video letting you know. But as of right now, it seems like it works pretty good. If you're interested in this, check down in the description. I'll have a link to Amazon. It's where I purchased it. It is an affiliate link, so if you do purchase it, I do get a little bit of money, very little bit of money from Amazon. Yeah, I think for a cheap weather station, not too bad. So that's going to be it for this video. Thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think. If you haven't subscribed already, please hit that subscribe button. It really does help out the channel. It allows me to purchase things like this and do videos. If you're already subscribed, you know I appreciate you guys so much. Hit that bell icon so you'll get a notification anytime that I purchase something new. That's going to be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys again real soon.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah.